Hello everyone, welcome to Rising Sun Tutorials. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new latest updates. Today we are going to learn rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. If they sound the same or similar, they rhyme. For example, car and bar, they rhyme. House and mouse, they rhyme. If the two words sound different, they do not rhyme. Now, where do we find rhyming words? We find rhyming words in poems, songs, and nursery rhymes. Now, let us see an example. Here, there is a rhyme. Let's see a rhyme. Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her. He put her in a pumpkin shell and there he kept her very well. Now let us see the rhyming words. The one which is blocked with the yellow one, Peter, eater is rhyming and keeper is also rhyming. Shell, well. They both are rhyming. Now let us see some more examples. We usually find rhyming words in the middle of the poem or song or in the nursery rhymes or else at the last of the line. The end words ball, fall, tall, right, kite, height, owl, tall, growl, bore, for, roar, rock, chalk, hawk, one, gun, one. So these are all rhyming words which they rhyme, though they are different in spellings, but they rhyme in sound. Thank you very much. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates, and be safe, stay safe.